Sir, I'd like to draw the attention of the House relating to a very important matter on this infiltration camp, which is located in Hatmaudon in my constituency, sir. So this infiltration camp is located near the marketplace of Hatmaudon, which is a bit away, about 2 to 3 kilometers away from the international fencing border, sir. What has happened, sir? I had personally met the DGP few months back and apprised him about this situation, that the police personnel who are manning the infiltration camp are just sitting idle, and there's hardly any illegal migrant Bangladeshi has been caught. Maybe in a year, 1 or 2 who just must have just strayed and they must have just sent back again. Therefore, sir, instead of wasting the services of all these infiltration camp personnel at Hatmaudon, I had suggested to the DGP that it will be more beneficial and wiser to open an outpost. And he was very considerate in saying that he would move the proposal to the government. But just a few days back, there was a question on it, and I saw that the reply was, no outpost considered. I would like to take this opportunity to inform the Honorable Home Minister that during the winter season, so hordes of Bangladeshis, they come in and they cut away all the betel nut from the plantations that we have on our side, sir. Nobody can stop them. They come with daggers, with all kinds of weapons. And their mode of operation is so swift, sir, that they come in hundreds. Immediately, sir, they climb the trees of the betel nut and they chop and they take it away. Now, sir, what will the infiltration camp boys do, sir? We require police protection of these plantations of our own people, sir. Therefore, I have justified, sir, today I have justified my claim that instead of this infiltration camp, it is more beneficial to have an outpost in Hatmaudon. I request the Honorable Minister, Home Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly examine this matter and consider my proposal, sir.
We will examine, sir.